I received this for free. How's it going? This vacuum sealer is really nice and it's very easy to use. So this is a really quick, simple, and easy way to take just any type of food, especially if it's something that comes pre-packaged but it's not resealable. Things like pastas, meat, stuff like that. So the way this works is very, very simple. Open it up. Inside you will find a nice, generously large roll of bags. You will eventually need to stock back up, but this is enough to get started. Clamp down the blade and then make your cut. Then you are going to want to seal off the bottom portion of your bag, and to do that you will place just the edge of your bag right here on the lip of the machine, close it down and hit manual seal high temp. From there you can fill up the bag with whatever you want, and then you're going to place the open portion of the bag right a little bit farther into the machine. Now you want it kind of in this crease right here, but you don't want it all the way covering it up. You want the edge of the bag to sort of drape into this little crease. From there, since I'm doing pasta, I'm going to put it on dry, and I like to just keep mine on normal. I don't really use gentle, but it is there in case you need it. And then all you do is just hit enter and it will do its thing. Takes just a few seconds. It will suck all the air out of the bag and then create another heat seal at the other end of the bag. And now it's perfectly airtight. I can't even bend this. It is rock solid. This is so awesome. This is a great way to preserve food, and I am all for it. And then for things like meat, you'll want to set it on, either moist or damp. Same routine, put the bag in and hit enter. That's it. It literally is just that simple. It also comes with a little hose in case you have your own bags that have the nozzle on them. You can plug one end of this hose into the machine and then attach this to your bag, and then you can use the vac option if you're using, say, dry goods, if you were vacuuming, if you were sealing up, say, dry goods, or you can do the pulse vacuum, which is good, especially if you are doing meats and stuff. So yeah, this thing is awesome, very versatile. It's also extremely simple to use, especially for beginners like me. It's good, definitely worth checking out.